Hey guys, welcome back. Today I just decided to create a nice drawing on Adobe Illustrator for a stand for a guitar. So you can see here the drawing is completed right now, and I will also attach the file, the Illustrator file, in the description of this video if you would like to create the same. And now, as you can see, I have placed the wood here, and we will start printing it. Now we can follow here the printing progress, and you will also notice that I have to print this 2 times in order to make it more strong. So once this is done, I will print this one more time. All right, both pieces are done, and now we are going to the process to glue this and this one together. Now I just apply the glue, and then I will put them now together. If you want good results, make sure after you apply the glue, press them very good for a perfect result that doesn't have any space between them. But now I'm going to leave this for 20 minutes, and we should start connecting them together and see if it can hold the guitar. See you in 20 minutes. Now the pieces are done and glued perfectly, and now we will connect them together. All right, the masterpiece now is ready. It's connected together and is perfect. As you can see, it's very stable and really strong. Let's get the guitar and see how it looks. It sits very well. Very nice. It's perfect and very stable. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this little project that I have made to this special person, and I hope also you enjoyed it. And as I previously said, I will have the file in the description of the video. You can just get it from there, and maybe you can also do something similar project in the future. Thank you for watching. Like and share. Bye for now.